Hello, welcome to Workpermit.com's US B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa guide for March 2016. I'm Sanwa Ali. It's usually expensive and difficult to obtain non-immigrant temporary work visas such as H-1B visa for graduate level staff or intra-company transfer visas such as L-1A visa for managers and executives or L-1B visa for specialized knowledge employees. The H-1B visa is oversubscribed about 3 times over in the beginning of April each year to start in October in the same year. Therefore, the likelihood of success is low. The L-1A, L-1B visa requires the applicant to have worked for the overseas business for at least 1 year in the last 3 years. The overseas business must have a subsidiary, parent branch or affiliate office in the US. It is frequently not possible to meet these requirements. The E2 Treaty Investor Visa or E1 Treaty Trader Visa requires a business to first be registered, which can be a time-consuming and difficult process. In addition, only certain nationalities can apply for this visa. In this situation, for graduate level employees, it may be worth looking at the B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa. If you wish to send people over to the US for work quickly in a matter of weeks, and the work is the sort of work you expect to be done by a graduate level employee, this visa is worth considering. This provision is useful when a non-US company wishes to send a member of staff to the US for a limited period in order to undertake specific projects for clients, or where you wish to bring in an employee of an overseas subsidiary, affiliate or parent for a limited period. The requirements for acquiring a B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa are as follows. The work to be undertaken in the US must be H-1B level, i.e. the skilled worker must be engaged in a specialty occupation in graduate level work, usually requiring at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent. The worker must be a permanent employee of the non-US business, i.e. not a contractor, and must continue to be paid by the employer outside the US while in the US on a B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa. The worker may receive no compensation other than expense allowance from a US source. The graduate level worker must have at least a bachelor's degree. Ideally, the bachelor's degree should be relevant to the services to be provided. There is no provision for work experience to be considered equivalent to a degree, as there is under the usual H-1B visa. The B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa can usually be obtained within a few weeks and requires considerably more supporting documentation compared to a normal B-1 business visitor visa. Periods of admission and extension are usually the same as for the standard B-1 business visitor visa, i.e. generally 6 months. Typical documentation for a B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa application include copy of bachelor's degree for the applicant, rental agreement for the applicant, company accounts, payroll records, curriculum vitae, bank statements, contract with US business, etc. It should be noted that in rare circumstances, holders of the visa encounter problems when trying to enter the US. This is because while it is issued by a US consulate embassy, some US Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, visa officers may not appreciate that the B-1 in lieu of H-1B visa is different to the B-1 business visitor visa. It is advisable to have full documentation relating to the visa application available entry to the US. Thank you for watching Workpermit.com video news. You can keep up to date on the latest news on US visas via our website Workpermit.com. If you'd like help with your visa application, complete an online assessment form or give us a call on 0344 991 9222.